Hi guys, how you doing? I am making steak and onions or bistec encebollado, and it's something that we like to make in Puerto Rico. I already got the white rice started. If you're not sure how to make the white rice, it's on my video, on my chicken fricassee video, and then I'm making the beans, and that is also in the chicken fricassee video. But right now, I just want to show you how to make the bistec, and I promise this time it's going to be under 5 minutes. Well, I'm gonna try, okay? So the first thing I did is I got some steak. It's cube steak actually, and I went ahead and seasoned it. I used about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, and I just dropped it. About this much garlic, and I mashed it in the pilon. Mashed it in here with some oregano. I used dry oregano, and I just used a small amount, not a whole lot. I also, instead of using the pink salt this time, I use adobo to season it, and you just kind of sprinkle it over, not a whole lot. I don't like salty food, so I just try to keep it light with the adobo. And then I put about a tablespoon of olive oil, and I mixed it up in there, and then I put some black pepper as well, and that's all I did. So, oh, and I did sprinkle about a tablespoon of vinegar, because vinegar helps tenderize the meat, and it gives it a nice flavor as well. Just don't put too much vinegar, because then it's too vinegary, and I don't do vinegary too well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the stove on medium, and just kind of place the cube steaks in the pan. It doesn't have to be hot. I know some people like to brown it and then turn the setting to low, but I don't. I just put it in the pot and I just let it cook a medium, and I always use this juice. I always use the marinade that I use to season it. So I'm going to put a cup of water in here in the bowl, so I can get all that yumminess from the garlic that I used and the oregano in there. So that's what it's going to look like. That's easy. And then I let it cook for at least 40 minutes because it takes a while for the meat to tenderize. Some people like it a little bit harder, but we like it very tender. So I'm going to cover it in medium for about 40 minutes. When the 40 minutes pass, I will use half a green pepper and 1 entire white onion, and I'll put it in there and let it cook. You don't want to put it now, because then it'll overcook and break apart. So you want to wait till the steak is tender, and then these are the last 2 things that I put in there. And once that's cooked, it's done. You got your white rice, your beans, and your cube steaks. I will take a picture when it's done, and that will be my thumbnail for this video. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you're having a great evening. Bye, besitos. Mwah.